Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss any updates, comments, or reactions happening on your Facebook page's cover photo, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable notifications for your page cover photo on the Facebook app when you're using your PC after the newest update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. If you're already logged in, you'll see your home page right away. Look to the top of the page and find your profile photo. This is usually in the top right corner. Click on it to open up your profile options. From here, navigate to the page you manage or want to edit. You can find your page's list along the left side, or simply select your page's name after clicking your profile photo. Once you're on your page, take a look at your cover photo, the big photo at the top of your page that represents your brand or community. Hover over or click on your cover photo itself. You'll notice some options appear on or under the image. Look directly under the cover photo for 3 dots lined up horizontally. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This will open a menu with additional options. Now, in this menu, find the option that says Turn on Notifications for this post. Click on it. By doing this, you'll be notified whenever someone interacts with your cover photo, whether it's comments, likes, or other engagement. This is a great way to stay up to date with what your audience is saying or sharing about your page's main image. Let's quickly recap the steps. Open the Facebook app on your PC. Click your profile photo at the top. Go to your page and click on the cover photo. Click the 3 dots under the photo. Choose Turn on Notifications for this post. That's all it takes to make sure you never miss another update on your Facebook page cover photo. If you found this guide helpful, let us know what you think, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more Facebook tips and tricks.